Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find and how to see your TikTok watch history. You can also delete it if you want. Let's jump into the TikTok app and let me show you. First thing you want to do, you want to hit the lower right corner. Click on your profile picture. When you're at your own profile, I want you to go ahead and click on the three straight lines on the upper right. Then I want you to click on Settings and Privacy. When you're at Settings and Privacy menu, I want you to scroll down to the section that is part of the menu Content and Display. Then I want you to go ahead and click on Activity Center. Over here, the first option, of course, will be your watch history. There you have it. This is everything that you have seen. Sometimes it's stuff that when you launch the app, right? And this is the first video YouTube throws into your face. This also includes your history, okay? Let me show you how you can actually delete that. You can go ahead on the upper right corner, click select, and then click on the lower left corner, select all watch history. Then you want to click on the lower right corner and click delete. Do we want to do that? Sure, we want to do that. And boom. I just show you how to find your watch history, how to watch your watch history, and how to delete your watch history. This is why, guys, you need to subscribe, watch more videos, and of course come back for more.